Why are these guys behind the ropes?
Because they don't want to be touched right now.
Oh, got it.
They
Okay.
can come and go as they please.
Got it. Their choice. I like it.
Absolutely.
Is that a llama? Oh, that's how. Is that a llama or Daddy, is that a llama or an alpaca? Huh? Llama or an alpaca? Pig's check. Fighting check.
Hey everybody, just wanted to say thanks for watching. We know you have lots of choices for theme park videos, so we appreciate you making the time for us. If you enjoyed the video, please click the thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more rides, shows, and attractions, don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks.